Hey guys, before this video starts, I want to let you guys know that on August 22nd, we're having our first merch drop in so long. We got some really cool brand new items. We got these pink and black dad hats. We got a brand new shirt that Cody's wearing now in black, a Krispy Media with donuts on the front, with sprinkles on the front. Sorry, Cody, spin around. On the back, we have our premium visuals designs right here with the donut in the middle, and then Krispy Media premium visual trademark right there. And then we also have this new white shirt right here, Krispy Media, around some lightning bolts in the colors, and it's also whoop-bam there on the back, just a little bit bigger. This will be on the website as well in that merch drop, along with a restock of the cream embroidered hoodies. You guys wanted these so bad, you wanted them back in stock. They're coming back in stock on the August 22nd drop. You'll be able to get these in cream, and these are the embroidered hoodies once again. And we also have two new stickers. One sticker here that matches the shirt that I'm wearing, and then another sticker here that matches the embroidered hoodie. This one's got a cool, like, glisten, glittery to it, and this one's white here with the premium visuals as well. That hat is also available in the drop. That's in black and pink. Oh, wait. And pink. So that's all. Those are all the new items in this shop. Hold on. Phone's ringing.
Whoa!
Hello?
Is that a Krispy phone case?
No, Cody's not working on the car right now.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the only one that works on the car. He only.
Yes.
I don't do anything.
Right.
He does everything.
He's admitting it finally.
Yeah, okay. And we also have Krispy Media phone cases. So if you guys check the website, August 22nd, 12 p.m., brand new merch drop, 2 new shirts, restock of the hoodie, 2 new stickers, 2 new dad hats, and a phone case. Check it out, Krispy.store on August 22nd. That's Saturday at 12 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. Cody, should they buy the merch?
Hell yeah, you should.
It's a good answer. Phil, you think they should buy the merch?
Hell yeah.
Guys, buy the merch. Show us some love. Support us. Let's get to the video, guys. Also, we forgot to mention one more thing. There's also going to be some limited edition mystery boxes included in this drop with a bunch of items in there that you guys are going to be able to get. They're going to be limited edition, so Cody, what should they do?
You should buy the box.
Buy their mystery box before they set out. They're going to go fast along with all this new merch.
Grab it.
We can't say that.
Fuck, you're right.
Oh, is this a sight for sore eyes or what? We let the Legacy sleep over last night instead of going in its storage unit. This morning, it's the day after we got the car, it's 8:02. We're going to go to Cody's and we're going to help him do some stuff with his big brake kit. He has some big brakes he's going to put on his Forester. And then later today, I think we're going to do a few modifications to this car as well. Maybe put the lip on, maybe put the horn in, maybe do a few small things. And then maybe shoot the car. I think we might shoot this car later today. So I'm going to vlog helping Cody out a little bit today. I'm going to film for Cody. You know, hopefully you guys go subscribe to his channel as well. Yeah, we're going to take this car over there. Go have some fun this morning. But let's get this car started. Give you guys a nice early morning cold start for one of the first times with the Legacy. Whew. On the 85, started up like a dream. Sorry to my neighbors, I won't keep this car at the house. I'm sorry, but I like this car so much. This car is fun to drive. Even this early in the morning, I'm breaking all the necks in my little neighborhood. I'm trying not to like make it snap, crackle, and pop, but kinda can't help it. I'm sorry, it's like 8 a.m. We're going to meet with Cody. Oh, I'm sorry, people. Also, between yesterday, I found 2 mounts in my basement to hold up the air ride and the Cobb. Oh, I just backfired so bad. I'm sorry, person walking. We gotta get gas. We have no gas left over. Went through a half a tank yesterday, just coming home on E85. I think I'm just gonna fill up on 93 today. We don't really need all the power E85 gives us right now, and we're just cruising. It's the Legacy's second fuel up that we've done. This time, sadly, I'm not gonna do 85. I gotta pop the gas. I'm so used to the minivan. And I only stalled like 3 times this morning coming out of my house. So that was good. Also, the way the sun hits the Rotiforms, they're LVS-Ms Rotiform. Great job. Thank you guys. Oh yeah, that looks so good. All right, let's go to Cody's. We're gonna install some parts on Cody's car. We got coffee for Cody. First time coffee's in the Legacy. Any liquids are in the Legacy. Cody, better appreciate me. And also, Duncan, you better appreciate us. All right, let's go to Cody's. start this back up. 93, no E85. Luckily, we have Cobb's flex fuel sensor, so it should be able to sense. We don't need to do anything. The Cobb will do everything within it with the flex fuel sensor that we have into the car as well. So Cobb will just determine the concentration of what we have and whatnot, and take over from there. So shout out to Cobb as well with their access port and their flex fuel kit in the Legacy. If you guys look closer, you can see the ethanol content dropping. It was at 70 something before when we were almost a full tank of E85, and now we're dropping down 57 to 56 to 55. It's slowly dropping down, and sorry, it's early. I gotta get a non-blurble tune from Ryan because this is loud in the morning. If I do any morning stuff, I can't be being this loud. But you guys can see the flex fuel kit adapting for the different fuel that we put in the car. Shout out to Cobb again if you guys want something like that for your Legacy. Make sure you guys hit up Cobb as well. Their flex fuel kit and their access ports are a must for your Subaru. And we're right back where we found ourselves yesterday, trying to creep through Cody's neighborhood without decelling so we don't let off any pops and bangs. I just talked to Ryan. Actually, he's going to get us a tune, a non-blurble, a non-fuckboy tune. We're going to put that in early mornings. We could run that or something. But I'm gonna try to be quiet here. It's really hard. I'm probably just gonna cruise into neutral once I get to his house, but I love this car. I'm getting more and more comfortable with it. It's only been a day. Oh, this is great. I'm just gonna go to neutral actually. Be extra quiet. What a good little boy. All right, I'll check back in with you guys. I gotta not stall. You're gonna have to take mine first because I can't get to yours yet. Thank you. And now I can get to yours. You left me. You left me and our best sponsor hanging, bro. Where'd he go? Does he know I'm stuck? God dang it.
Being that was a full sponsor,
I'm just gonna, I just wanna.
Go for it, I'll trade you.
Sorry, Yellow Speed, I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Cody's getting new brakes. Guys, look at his brakes. If you guys want to see them finished on the car, check them out on this channel. We're gonna put these on today. How excited?
Very excited.
What do you have on there right now?
Stock Forester.
And
calipers.
And you're going to new custom powder coated.
It all started because I chased my buddy Brett with the C606 core making 500 wheel horse down a mountain road, and I almost kept up.
Almost.
I didn't catch up.
What about the part at the bottom?
At the bottom, it was scary as shit because I faded the hell out the brakes, and the very next day I ordered everything else to finish the brake kit. So, don't try doing mountain runs on stock calipers and stock brake setups. It's kind of sketchy as shit. So we're gonna put the Brembos on front and rear. That's the biggest thing. No one ever does the rear because they're assholes. However, we're going to put the fronts on, then we're going to put the rears on, and then we're going to go take pictures and a video because those against the SPC chrome wheels.
Where can people see this video?
On my channel, Cars and Cody.
Oh, look, he's even got the shirts, people. Yeah. Stepping his game up. Go subscribe. His link will be down there. All right, we're going to film him doing that. We'll check in a little bit. Cody just got his calipers on for the front and the rotors, and they're pretty tight. They got a real tight fit, like. Look at that. Real nice. Look at that sun that we're getting on right now. Oh yeah, dude, that's real tight. Looking good. The Brembos on the front with the big old boy rotors. We ran into a little problem with the back, so we're gonna wait on those, or he's gonna wait on those. But nice job, Greenstone. Hey, Yellow Speed, I still love you more than whatever brand Cody's installing on his car. It's not as cool as you. I love you guys so much more. I'm just, you know, here to support my friend, but Yellow Speed, I love you so much more. Hey, buddy, what's up? Cody got done with his brakes as it is. If you guys want to see how they look fully on the wheel with better shots, better footage, go to Cody's channel. He'll have a video up soon on how those are exactly going to look. In the meantime, we got a few small things we want to do on the Legacy. So Cody's pulling up the Legacy real quick. And we're going to do a few small things on here because he's pretty much made as much progress on his car as he can for right now. So that's going to sit for a minute. And we'll do some fun stuff on the Legacy. Maybe get the front lip on and some other small things that Cody possibly wants to tackle today while we have some time kind of just to kill. So we'll take you through what we're going to do in a second. First, we're going to figure out what we want to do. I'm currently trying to buy a backup lip on eBay. There's some like polyurethane lips on eBay. I'm just trying to buy a backup one because the carbon one we have, I know I'm going to blow it up at some point. And there's this $86 lip on eBay. I think I'm just going to buy it to keep it as a backup to have a lip. Because the car looks cool, but without the lip, it looks a little bit naked in the front. So I want to put a lip on there. So I'm going to pick this up. In case I explode that carbon fiber lip, which it's gonna happen. Come on with the fucking pose. Sir, one lip to be exploded.
Wow, this thing looks like shit. Sure.
I'll hold the other side if you want.
So I know a lot of you guys are commenting about how some of this carbon fiber doesn't like match up with the car, or how it kind of doesn't like how there's a big gap here. In a little bit, again, in a couple of days or whenever we have extra time, we're gonna get this flush with the car and also add some molding here that we have. I already purchased that to kind of match the dammed molding here and get it sunk up to the car, unlike it is right now. So we just need to adjust our placement of our screws underneath, sink it in a little bit more into the car, and then we'll add the rubber gasketing there so it fits a little bit flusher. We had cracked our front bumper already, loading it on off the trailer. You guys can kind of see the paint fading into the carbon fiber, which we kind of did on purpose. It's not the best cover up, but it is what it is for now. We're gonna get like another lip as a backup lip, and I'll order another carbon fiber lip once Japan opens up their shipping to the States again. For photo, they're not shipping right now. So when we do like photo shoots or go to car shows, I'll keep that lip just pristine for car shows. And if this one gets cracked, it gets cracked. It is what it is. But I'd rather have it look cool than not have it look as cool with the without the lip. Adds so much more. Dude, the paint over here is so pitted. It's a Giala front lip, by the way, if anyone's wondering. Giala front lip from Japan Parts.com. We do have hardware somewhere for the lip. We just don't know where. So for the time being, we're just gonna zip tie up the lip. And the other places where the screws would have gone, so we're just holding it up there for the time being. And also, this will kind of make it easy to take down too. If we need to take it down, we can just cut the zip ties. It's pretty secure with them. We're drifters pretty much at this point. That's pretty much what we are. So that's just what we're doing right now. But it looks good with the lip on. So much better, completed with the full line of carbon down the cars. This is the only not carbon part. Oh, and the diffuser, but they're wrapped in carbon. And just like that, lip is on. The car is back to its symmetry down the car with all the carbon fiber, front lip, front splash guard, rear side effect, and the rear diffuser. Just all down the entirety of the side of the car. Looks really good. She on there. She looks good. T-minus, who knows how many days until we explode it. But hey, in the meantime, this completes the look of the car, and I'm stoked on how that looks now. That lip changes the entire front of the car. Nice job, friend.
Thanks, buddy.
We're taking it for a quick drive. We're gonna go to Cody's house. We're gonna grab some 3M tape. We're gonna grab some 3M tape, and like we were just talking about with those side pieces, we're actually gonna put those up now because we don't have the horn to put the horn in, and we don't have what we need to fix them with the airbags that we want. So we're just gonna go tape those side pieces on at his place. We're gonna come back, put some little rubber trim there as well, and then we'll fill in what we do next. But Cody's gonna drive the car now. Cody, can you turn the AC on? It's a little hot.
Yeah, sure.
That's right. We don't have AC yet, but that's okay. Cody, don't scare the children. Cody, don't scare the old man.
That's why I didn't do it. Sounds so good.
God, this car is so cool. Car is so cool. Backseat's a mess right now, but that's fine. All this carbon fiber. Oh look, the gauges work. So if you guys remember, these are just regular JDM Legacy side skirt extension spats that come on the sports skirt kit for this bumper kit that we have. And we just got them wrapped in carbon fiber for SEMA, just a carbon fiber wrap, not actual carbon fiber. And then never really were sitting flush with the car, so Cody's gonna try to get them to sit a little bit flusher with the car. Add some 3M tape between the car and that, just to get it looking a little bit more flush, a little more professional. Out of all the parts on this car, we do have a Honda part. This is just Honda trim that we're using on the Legacy here. That's just some rubber like window trim that we got off Amazon that we're using to go on down the spine, down the side, or whatever you guys want to call it, of the piece, just to make it look more flush, kind of like we have here on the dammed piece that came with its own rubber trim. Pretty much that's what we're adding. So the Honda part should give us at least, what, Cody, do you think, 5-6 horsepower?
I'd say 22.
Does it come with the VTEC, or do you have to get that?
No, this is a VTEC. You gotta make sure that the model number is correct, otherwise you get non-VTEC trim tape.
What model number is this?
43.
So I'll say 69.
Squared.
Oh, okay.
It's child friendly.
Oh yeah, sorry. New YouTube.
If anyone out there has a connection for 3M, the amount of this stuff that we've used on this car, please.
For better or for worse, we're gonna use some double-sided sticky here and try to sync it up to the car a little better. We got it to sync up a little bit better by moving some of the mounts, but we're gonna try to 3M stick it up and get a little bit closer to the car so it's all nice like. It's gonna be this close, Cody. Oh, sorry, Corona. Sorry. With some quick 3M and some rubber gasketing, it looks leaps and bounds better than it did before. Again, it's not perfect, but it does look really good. It's much more secure to the car, and the trim adds... What are you saying over there?
Secure.
With the trim, it adds so much more, like the side effect here we have. Clean up some of this crap over here, but that looks so much better. We'll link this down, and if you guys want this trim...
No, we won't.
I'll link it down below and Amazon down below, because if they use my link and they buy it, yes, if they use my link and buy it on Amazon, I might get 3 cents from their order. So if 1,000 million of you guys buy this, I might make $10. But link down below to get some of this if you guys are interested in. And if you need heat gun, we'll link that down below. Water, we'll link that down below on Amazon.
You guys need zip ties? Apple Watch?
We'll link them all. Yeah, we have these pieces done in actual carbon fiber, and it came out looking like poop, which you'll see in a future video. That I'm going to make, showing my experience of doing a SEMA car and the parts that sucked about it and the parts that are great about it. I'm going to make a video.
Oh, that's cool.
We'll talk about that. All right, so the car is in good shooting condition right now. It's good. It's pretty much ready to be shot. There are some small things we need to change. Like we took out our other air tanks here that are just dummy tanks. If you didn't know, they are just dummy tanks for looks. We took those out for right now because we need to make a new bracket to basically hold it down a little bit better in the back than it was before. We have our side pieces on that look a little bit better. The appearance is better, and we have our front lip on that looks good as well now too. We were gonna go shoot it today, but we can't get a driver to do that today. And it's also really hot, so I think we're just gonna push that off till tomorrow. And Halcyon Anthony's gonna come up tomorrow, and we're gonna shoot a little feature of the car tomorrow. Nothing crazy, like 1 or 2 locations, some rollers, to get some content of the car for you guys, a new feature, just to get you guys an overlook of the car. We'll get some good audio in there as well. Anthony and Cody will probably be taking some photos of the car as well. And then down the line, maybe in a month or 2 before winter, obviously, we'll develop a cool storyline and film a nice, you know, big cinematic feature for this car, like the one me and Cody did of the Legacy in its last form that you guys saw. That did amazing. It's got over 300,000 views, I think. Obviously, we'd love to mimic that with this car and get really creative. Maybe rent a new lens or maybe rent some other gear, just do something really cool for this car. We'll do a mini feature tomorrow for it. That'll be neat. Yeah, I think this is where we're going to end today. I know not too much happened here. We didn't get to finish Cody's stuff. Hope you guys are happy the Legacy's back. If you are, again, please make sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure to subscribe to Cody's channel as well if you want to see him finish the rotors on his car and the Brembos. Go on and see what that looks like. He'll probably do a cool video. And we'll probably film something for him as well once those are on and when that's done. Yeah, boys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this wasn't too boring, but see you guys later. See you guys, peace.